everyone, how's it going? In today's exciting video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a T-Rex versus a Triceratops. Now, if you would like to see any other dinosaur battle videos, definitely let me know and I'd be happy to try them out. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now, to start off with our T-Rex versus Triceratops, let's begin up here at the T-Rex. So I'm going to begin with the eye. Let's start by making a line that's just going to kind of come down and then up like this, almost like a curvy check mark. Next, let's make a line that's going to curve around like this. And then let's make a line right under here. Then I like to make a little line or two right around the eye for some details. Up here, I'm going to make a couple little bumpy lines for the eyebrow. And then right here, let's make a line that's going to come out and then down here. I'm going to bring this down a little bit. And let's make a little line right here that kind of curves for the nose. Next, let's bring this line out, and then we're just going to kind of curve it around up to here. Then I'm going to bring this down, and then kind of up here. Next, we're going to curve this line down to here. And then I'm going to bring this down and then up. Now let's go ahead and curve a line in here with a couple of extra lines for the back of the mouth. I'm going to bring this line up a little bit. And then starting here, I'm going to bring this line over and then up here for the jaw. Then I'm going to kind of curve this up and bring a little line down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up for the back of the head and then the neck, and we're just going to kind of curve it down to here. I'm going to make a couple little curve lines here for the neck. And then I'm going to bring this line down, and then we're going to come over to here for the chest. Now let's work on the mouth real quick. So I'm going to make some sharp teeth. So I'm just going to make some sharp, kind of pointed, jagged teeth that kind of angle back. And we'll do the same thing here. Some kind of pointy, sharp teeth. Make a line that comes down and up and then back. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out and then back here. Then another line that's going to come out and then down here. Starting here, I'm going to curve a line down. Then I'm going to bring this line out, and then we're going to come down to a point. We'll come down here to another point and bring it up. Then I'm going to bring this line over and then up here. I'm going to curve this line down. Then I'm going to bring this line out and in, out, and then in here. Next, over here, I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out to here, and we're going to put two hooks on it. So one here. Then we're going to put another little hook right here and curve it up. We'll bring this back. Now, before I go any farther with the T-Rex, I want to work on the Triceratops. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to begin by making lines just going to go down and then up here for like that check mark shape. Then we're going to curve this down and in. We'll make a couple little lines underneath here. Then a line that's going to come up here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here. We're We're going to kind of jump over this hand, and then we're going to come back for the horns of our Triceratops, and we're going to curve it around here. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to here. And we're going to do another little horn right here that kind of curves around. I'm going to bring this down and then up here. Next, we're going to go down and then kind of bring it over here for the mouth. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down or up, and then we're going to go down and then back up. And we're going to curve a line right here and right here for the mouth. Right here, let's make a little kind of comma shape for the nose with a little line around it. And we're going to curve a line up here. Next, we'll bring this line over and then up. Or make a spike that's going to come out and then in here. Now, for that big kind of mane that they have, we're just going to make some kind of wavy little lines like this. We're just going to kind of go up to here. And I'm just going to make kind of go all the way towards the mouth of the T-Rex. And then I'm going to bring this line up here and then just kind of connect it. Then right here, I'm going to make another horn that's going to come up, and we're going to go down to here. Then I'm going to add some little kind of like curved lines at the end of each one of these. So it kind of looks like they're little spikes. Now right here, I'm going to curve a line down to start the arm or the leg. Then we'll make a line that's going to come down here, and it's going to be a little bit wavy. I'm going to come down and up. We're going to go down and up, and then one more down and up here. We're going to curve this in. I'm going to curve this line up to here and then right into here. Make a line right here, and then another line is going to come out and then back for that other leg. Starting here, I'm going to curve this line up. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up here for that leg. And then right here, let's kind of curve a line up. Next, I'm going to go down and up, down and up, down and up, and then down and up here. Then I'm going to curve this line up and down. Then I'm going to bring this line out to a point, and then we're going to come up and then down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. Make a line that's going to come over and in, and then over and in here for that other foot. Then I'm going to bring this up to here. Now I'm just going to kind of draw a little curve here where kind of the other foot would be. We wouldn't really see that just from this pose. Now let's come back here to the T-Rex. Now we're kind of jumping all over. I'm going to start here with his leg. We're going to come out and then in here. And we're going to come down here and we're going to curve this down to a point and then bring it up. We're making another line. We're going to come to a point and then bring it up. Then another one here to a point and then bring it up. We're going to bring this in here. And we're going to come out and in. And we're going to curve this in here. We're going to kind of curve this for the leg, and we're going to bring this line right to here. Next, I'm going to draw a line right to the nose. And I'm going to bring this line up here for the tail of the T-Rex. And we're just going to kind of come back down to here. Make another curved line here for part of the body. We'll just kind of draw a line back here. Now we got our basic shape of our two dinosaurs. I want to come in here and add some fun different details. So I'm going to start by making a little circle shape right here for the pupil. I'm going to kind of color this in and draw a little line around. Make a little line right here by the nose. And then we're going to make kind of like a broken line right here. I'm going to make some kind of like long broken lines that are going to kind of come right down here for a little bit of texture on our T-Rex. And then a couple more going this way. I'm going to make a couple little lines coming up here and then a couple little lines down here. I'm going to make some little curves here for the claws and then a couple little curves here. And I'm going to add a couple little extra lines on here. Make some curved lines right around here, and then just a few extra little lines, or some little details. A few curved lines around here. I'm going to make some little spikes kind of coming along the back of our T-Rex. I'm going to put these right along here, and I'm going to make them go down this line, so it kind of looks like the body is turning. I'm going to put some small little broken lines kind of coming up here. And then a few lines kind of right around here. A few more here. Next, I'm going to do some little kind of lines right around here. A little kind of broken oval shape here. And a few little lines right around the eye. We'll kind of color in a little bit of a pupil. Going to make a little broken line here and here, just for a little detail. And we're going to kind of bring some little extra lines right around here. Make some of these curved lines here just to make it look like the horn is kind of sitting in the head. And even a couple little lines right around the horns. We're going to make some curved lines right along the toes. And a couple little extra lines. We're going to make some little broken lines right here and then kind of some up here for some detail on our Triceratops. A couple little extra lines right around these little areas. And then some kind of like right along the back and by the feet. We even put some more kind of coming along here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a T-Rex versus a Triceratops. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.